Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. As many of you remember, or some of you might remember, yesterday I did a video about my free marketing system. Okay, but today's video I'm going to talk about LeadsLeap. All right, and I'm going to let you guys know what you have available if you're part of my LeadsLeap team. Okay, so it doesn't matter what business you're involved in. If you're under me in LeadsLeap, you will get access to the following. Okay, so obviously Mega Marketing Pro, as I mentioned yesterday in the video. Um, the backbone of this system is LeadsLeap. The LeadsLeap system is required because that's going to allow you to automate the system. This is this is the automated email list that we use in conjunction with this funnel system. Okay, so if you're looking for a funnel system that allows you to promote any business that you're promoting, regardless of whatever business you're involved in, then two things that you could use: Mega Marketing Pro, which is 100% free, and also you can use LeadsLeap, which is the free marketing system that I've set up. Sorry, this is not, obviously LeadsLeap is not my system. It's a system that's been around since 2008. Let me just go there. This is the LeadsLeap website, and this is the autoresponder system, the page builder. You can create funnels, you can advertise on this platform, and there are so many features. You can join this for free. You can, in fact, use this system for free. Obviously, I highly recommend considering getting the Pro membership, which is an upgrade. You'll be able to see the price of that inside just by registering for free. But there's so much in here in terms of value. So I'm going to go through what you'll get in terms of value from my point of view, because we can, you can get the share codes, you can get the funnels. Okay, so I've got a number of share codes that I can share with you guys, so that you can get started. Think of them as templates. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be in any specific program to use them. You can use them. That's fine, as long as you're under me in the business. And also in Mega Marketing Pro, you'll be able to get access to more LeadsLeap share codes from the back office of Mega Marketing Pro, which is my marketing system that I set up. Okay, and here you get access to all these share codes that I've created for you. Okay, and there's loads here. And then you can think of these as templates. So you copy them into your account. Anything that you like, you can even click on them and preview them, use them for your whatever business you're involved in. So basically, LeadsLeap. Okay, I've been involved in this program for about 3 years. I did have an account before that I never really used, but I got really into LeadsLeap in a big way in the last 3 years, having tried all different kinds of marketing systems. And I find that LeadsLeap is a fantastic system because it's very inclusive, and anyone can use it. Even if you're struggling and you're a brand new user, it's not complicated. And I can share out the templates that I've created to make it easier for you to get started. But there is a drag and drop editor that is even newbie friendly, so you can even start a page from using their templates and then create a funnel from scratch. It's very, very easy. You can also advertise on this platform. You've got other tools like obviously the autoresponder, the mailing list bulk mailer. You can use the tracking system that tracks not only internal pages that you've created in here, but also external pages. If you've got an affiliate link you want tracking, you've got the tracking tool in there. That tool alone will cost you $25, $50 up per month. But this is all built in. You also get the traffic rotator and other things in here. And advertising. You can advertise on this platform and generate. I've had signups into my primary businesses. So guys, I've earned over $11,000 in this system. I earn about $1,000 a month approximately. Last month I earned about just over $1,000 last month. Okay, this is a pretty average for me. Over $1,000 is pretty average for me. It's a nice income. It's passive. It's not, well. It's an residual income, and I get it every month because I support my team. I give them value. They get access to my share codes and my system. It's a residual income because they pay every month. Yeah. So um, I like this. And then they pay you directly to your bank account. So, it really is a nice system to have. It is a tool, and in my opinion, I think it's an essential tool, because it's affordable and everyone needs a system in order to be able to collect leads. It's a complete waste of your time. And in my opinion, you're losing money by not having a system like that, because people will take time to consider joining your business. And if you've offered a business opportunity to them, and then they're sort of, typically they might turn you down at first, or they might not take action at first. But by building a mailing list, it gives you the power to be able to keep in touch with them, keep nurturing them. I've had people on my mailing list that have been following me for months or even years that never really, took action with me. But then, gradually they do decide to take action. And, without that mailing list, there would be literally, I'm not exaggerating, there'll be literally thousands of people that that would have not have joined me, that did end up joining me, if you see what I mean. So because I have a mailing list, I have those extra thousands of people that did end up joining me in a business opportunity over the years, simply because I have a mailing list that continues to nurture them on autopilot. And guys, if I didn't have that mailing list, I would have lost thousands of leads. I would have lost thousands of potential signups. And it's true. I know network marketers frown upon me for pushing my team to get at a system like this, but that's why I like LeadsLeap, is because you don't necessarily have to upgrade if you don't want to. Don't force yourself. But it is so affordable. It's very cheap. The price does vary occasionally, so you'd have to just create an account for free and log in and check the price. But you could just start using this for free, and you could set up some of the share codes. You can't automate the autoresponder or anything like that, but you can still broadcast. And there's a lot you can do for free. It's not like those tools where they kind of lie to you. They say, some autoresponder systems, they say, oh, you can get a free system here, but actually it's just a completely useless free account, and you end up having to upgrade in order to get any sense of value. But with this, you do actually get a decent amount of value, even as a free member. But I do highly recommend you upgrade, especially if you want my help, because at the end of the day, I'm busy. I'm trying to support my team as best as I can. But, if you need my help, um, you might want to just consider just upgrading, take action. And it's just a way of showing that you do care about your business, and you are motivated to really scale up your business. All right, because there's a lot of value in here as a pro member. But anyway, guys, look forward to working with you with this. Just to remind you what you do get with if you join my team. Obviously, you're going to be a part of the Mega Marketing Pro system, and I give you access to all the value that you get in here, in the Mega Marketing Pro system, which is my system. And as I say, the backbone of this system is LeadsLeap. The autoresponder, the pages that you get access to, the done for you pages, and the share codes and everything. Plus, I've got a lot of other pages here and tutorials. I've also got a full training, a LeadsLeap training here, okay, that you get access to, that teaches you everything. This is a complete video course that teaches you everything about LeadsLeap. Okay, so this is a full training course that you get access to. Okay, and some more, other, lots of training. Okay, on my channel that you get access to. So anyway, look forward to working with you within LeadsLeap. Get on my link below. Let's get you started. And once you're in, you'll be able to, get onto Mega Marketing Pro. And on the inside of Mega Marketing Pro, you have everything you need inside Mega Marketing Pro. So those are the two links that I'll give you. Mega Marketing Pro link, you can join for free. And of course, you can join me in LeadsLeap and get yourself upgraded as a pro member, so that we can really, scale up your business. Because at the end of the day, I don't care what businesses you promote. This gives me, more of an interest in your success. Okay, regardless of whether you join me in any primary business or not. If you're in with me in LeadsLeap and you're a pro member, it gives me a lot more, interest to really support you. Okay, so I'd love to be able to support you. So definitely get on board, get upgraded, so that we can give you a lot more support. Okay. Cheers, guys. Look forward to working with you. and see you on the inside. Click the links below. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and that really helps the channel. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the inside, guys. Bye for now.